People are central to success, failure, and potentially catastrophe. Even with the rise of digitalization and automation, people remain central to businesses and to societies. When it comes to human resources, we always want to fill the right job positions with the right people who are reliable and persistent over time. But there is often one major factor we tend to disregard when we evaluate these people, and that is, how do these people handle stress? We know that there is a fine line between success and failure, and for this, we are developing a tool which combines psychological testing and artificial intelligence to de-risk human resources decisions. Our product makes sure that the candidate fills out a series of questions from which we gather personality information, anxiety levels, and level of capability to stress in different contexts that are potentially transferable. For this reason, we combine also logic and artificial intelligence to understand the hidden relationships between these pieces of information. This is to deliver to the customer a report that provides the understanding of the basis of persistence and reliability over time. For this, we are initially tackling the VC market. This evening we talked about it. Alex, Masoud, the panel talk. We've been talking about the team importance, the importance of people. For this reason, we want to tackle a market which is always cutting edge on technology and always looking for the best people who deserve the money. After that, we want to handle a larger market of large enterprises that are seeking to fill medium and senior management positions. After that, we want to expand to safety, to all risk-taking domains, with a core on aviation and transportation. We are first movers in understanding stress handling capabilities on the basis of their symptoms and their coping mechanisms. Other competitors do not focus on this intersection between artificial intelligence and use of psychological information. In the landscape, many companies use past employee data rather than focusing on tailored psychological information and questionnaires. In brief, we're providing a software as a service to de-risk financial impact and safety responsibilities. This is done via multiple moments over time in which we gather data, and our data-driven capability allows us to improve the accuracy over time. This is delivered via a subscription model. There is a longer test and a larger fee at the beginning, and there is a monitoring fee throughout the year for a smaller test and a smaller amount. After our acceleration phase, we are now looking to partner with early customers to refine our MVP, our minimal viable product, and scale it thanks to seed funding to a fully fledged product and deliver it to key customers in Europe. And for this, we're seeking to raise 350,000 euros to enable this. My name is Nico Kirk, and thanks to my excellent team at Cambridge Humane, with Stefan in sales, Christian in artificial intelligence, Fabio in communication and marketing, Prasad in strategy and business development, and myself in artificial intelligence, we're here to provide performance through human understanding. Looking forward to talking to you later. Thank you.